Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So it's that time of year. It's been getting cold. We don't feel it nearly as much down here, but up in the mountains like in Big Bear, they come across with snowy temperatures and temperatures that often dip into the teens at night. So when it gets to temperatures below 30, we typically keep our crews out from working in those areas. So Big Bear, unfortunately, this time of year until about March, April, we try to not schedule your projects just because the cold weather just doesn't produce a great quality product that we can stand behind. So if you're getting feedback from our office in regard to scheduling, that's the reason why. It's not that we don't want to do it, it's just that it's not going to yield the results that we expect, nor that you expect. So that's your foundation repair tip of the day.